to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I am looking at the Bre Datsun kit, the 3 cars in the truck multi-kit for Hot Wheels Premium. Also have a 3D printed garage to go with this. I will put them in this by the end, and a detachable by magnet front on that as well. But this is premium set, so I am going to open it. If you haven't seen this yet, or if you've been eyeing it off, I'm going to show you what it's like. But the Bre Datsun 620, the Bre Datsun 510 Wagon, 1991 Bre Nissan Sentra SER, and the Bre Secura Sprinter. I'm guessing the Bre is a racing team. Never actually heard of them, but other than on this, and oh yeah, there we go. Back of the packaging. Get a blade in here. Probably not going to keep this, but we'll actually take this apart as careful as possible. Let's grab one of these. There we go. Now I know some people keep theirs in the packaging. Not me, but it does look good. Let's see if we can get these lights out a little further. There we go. The mountain road type thing on the background. Yep. Underneath we've got these rubber bits here. Now have I got a pair of snips or not here? Let's try the blade. So I'll run it through that. Looks a little flexible. Actually looks very flexible. So in that case, when other things fail, let's get in these. Yep. Alright, one is out. They're doing really well. I mean, they don't go flying, that's for sure. The top one's got one in there still. Having a look at these models, they look really good. They should do, because this is not a cheap set for Hot Wheels. The Premium 4 set, although it's still cheaper than buying 4 premium cars individually. And it's kind of the only way you're going to get these trucks. If you're interested in getting the 3D printed garage, go to Make a World if you've got a 3D printer and search for Datsun. Actually, just search for Datsun. You're most likely going to see the garage there. Free print, so that's good. Let's get all the rubber out of this. Got a metal base on this particular truck. Secura Sprinter, 2017. So this particular truck has been used before. Not sure about whether it had Datsun on it or what truck. Let's have a look. Yeah, for a Hot Wheels truck, looks pretty good. The Datsun down the side, very nice. It's open. Yes, it does, and it's a pull down car carrier tray. Yep, okay. Not sure that's how I'll display it. It's got a matte black mark there. No, that doesn't come off. The other piece is just dust. Very nice. Put it down the back. Have a look at the next one along. Get the rubber off that one. Look at that. Roll cage and everything inside. Very nice. The rubber parts still need to be removed. I find that they're often just twisted, and you can untwist a little bit and put it pull on one end and we're off. That actually looks pretty good. And I'm moving the whole camera there. Very nice. Black around the door frame, although a little bit red on there for the inside, but very good. Which one was this one? Upside down. The Nissan Sentra. Well, I guess it is. And this copyright on this one is absent. Yep. Okay, so 91 Nissan Sentra. And I know, 2021. You know, let's get that there. There, 2021. So that one's actually been around for a while too. Let's put you in the car parking space there. Alright, moving on to the Datsun 510 wagon. This one's been around for a while, isn't it? Yeah, 2012. I have seen these before. Don't know if I've got a wagon. Not one that looks as pretty as this one, that's for sure. Alright, so 2012. Oops. I like the gold mags. I'm not a huge fan of 4-spoke mags, but these ones, see if we can get some better light on it. With a silver rim on the outside and a bronze look inside. Very well done. On my camera it looks a lot more blue. I've had this before where the camera just doesn't seem to want to focus on it. No, making it lighter doesn't seem to help. But that's more of a turquoise than blue that shows up on my, might be the angle I'm looking at it on here. Very nice. I like that. I'm going to put all of these on turntable at the end so you can have a closer look. And a 620. Datsun 620 from 2009 in a black and white Bre Datsun livery. Very good. We'll get these rubber supports off. And 2009 it says there. Very good. Metal base, wheels, silver rims around a it's almost like a snowflake look. Not a very deep dish, and to be honest, that suits this. Datsun in the metal mold and not frame, not a decal or print. There's a shiny bit in the bed there. Talking about print, you can 3D print bed covers for these Hot Wheels vehicles. I've noticed a few. Don't mind the gold wheels there on the front as well. Looks very good. Yeah. Alright. So what can we put in here? Goes in like that. Very good. Sure they all fit. Yes it would. Just. That one actually doesn't go in as far. And okay, that one doesn't. So you see that? That's all the way in. So not putting that one in. No. So longer. Alright. Get the garage. Move all the rubber parts off. And see if we can get this down more. So the idea here, 3D print, good way of displaying it. You can get a, let's see if we can put that, yep, put that back in. Truck in here, and it barely fits. See that? Poking out. Okay, so it may be better off having these sideways. You can print a different garage door on here too, and my fourth one there. So I can have a garage and a floor that has full space. Truck doesn't actually fit all the way in, but if I were going to put it in, park it in, No, it is not going to fit. With the back out? Well, technically, yes, it can. And magnetic on there, but I wouldn't store it like that. I think I might have to have it sideways like I had a moment ago. So these guys like that. And then in that case, it may be better off printing a full open and have a particular open or a garage door printed on this piece here. But yeah, anyway, the Bre Datsun 4-pack premium Hot Wheels. Thank you very much for watching. A like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to put it on the turntable. Put these on probably 2 at a time together so that you can see a bit more close to detail. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.